Hi and welcome to this edition of Out the Box. My name is Paul. Today we're going to be having a look at what is in this box. This is the Ubiquiti Unify switch. This is the 8-port 60 watt, so the US-8-60 watt. Let me show you what you're going to get in the box. You're going to get the unit itself, which we'll have a look at in a moment. You are going to get some wall plugs and screws, so you can mount that to a cupboard or the wall if you want to. You are going to get the power pack. This has got an IEC connector on that side and a 12 volt in connector there for you. Because we are in Australia, we're going to have an Australian power connector on that end, 3-pin, and we have got our IEC power N there. So let's have a look at the unit itself. It is metal construction. Can I just say that this unit runs warm? Maybe I would use the word very warm, or I might even use the word hot. All right. It will be very hot to the touch. It's compact. It has no fan inside it, so just be aware of that. It has vents, as you can see here, and on the sides. So do allow enough cooling for it. So let me just lift that up. So on this side on the back, we have our earthing pin and we have our power in. If we rotate this to the bottom, you can see that we've got our 2 cutouts here for mounting this to the wall, 2 screws on the wall, clip it down into place. Then the bit that you're probably more interested in is what is on the front of this. We have our obligatory Ubiquiti LED indicator over on this side, which will change from white to blue once it's adopted with the Unify controller. We have our first 4 PoE ports, non-PoE ports. Our first 4 non-PoE and then followed by our 4 PoE ports here. Now, just a word, just to remind you, this little switch only supports 48 volt. It does not have the ability to switch down to 24 volt. So if you have any Air Max products or products needing 24 volts, you need to switch out to the 8-port Ubiquiti switch that's the 150 watts. So the US-8-150 watt, because that can switch between 48 volts and 24 volts. All right, then finally on the top here, we have our indicators for our port status and whether they're drawing PoE power or not. So hopefully that's been useful. Do head on over to our YouTube channel. You'll find plenty more box openings on wireless networking and firewalling devices. Got plenty of how-to guides. What do I need to set up my Ubiquiti network? What is PoE? What devices do I need to make my Unify network work? So hopefully all those things will be useful. So do subscribe. But this was the Ubiquiti 8-port switch, the US-8-60 watts.